I'm going to show you those rainbow ombre, and then we will do some butterfly wings. I'm using the upvoted gel polish range, color 238, and I choose 7 colors, like they are absolutely pretty all together. Keep applying a small amount of the product over the nails, and this technique works absolutely fantastic for even a short nails. You can check it on my YouTube channel when I'm showing it in salon on my clients. I definitely will make your life easier to achieving those beautiful ombre results. And the last color, which is a purple rain 242, then we are gonna use some sponge and the tweezer. Remove any fluff which might be on the sponge. Like, I like to also use the tweezers to don't touch the product, and then we are gonna start blending the colors together. You want to go up and down a little bit and to the sides, like make sure you do cover everything nice and properly. As you can see, the sponge did drink some of the gel polish, so the colors aren't as pigmented as we want to, and for that reason I'm just going to apply some clear acrylic powder over it. It will prevent our sponge to drink any more products, and it will give us a really highly pigmented results. So just sprinkle it all over and then give it 60 seconds cure. My tip is cure, and I can just reapply the gel polishes I have used previously, just a small drop of it again. They are so highly pigmented, I just love them. Also, all the products are available on our website, which I will give you the link to the description of this video, and also a link to my YouTube channel where you can see over 1000 nail tutorials. So grab the sponge and then just blend it again. Up and down, and look what is happening. The gel polish stays on the nail and is not absorbed by the sponge with the help of the acrylic powder. This way we have created a really beautiful rainbow ombre, and on top of that we are gonna do those very trending butterfly wing nail art. So I'm just gonna give it a 60 seconds cure. My favorite top coat, High Shine No Wipe Top Gel, which gives a really beautiful shine, and it works fantastic with the chromes. Also, look what is happening here. So the top coat is smoothing out any imperfections. Now, because we are going to use some chrome over it, like, you want to make sure your top coat application is absolutely perfect. Like, look how the light reflects on it, and then if you're satisfied, give it a 60 seconds cure so we can wrap the chrome. Take a small amount of the product and rub it over your nail art. Like, that looks absolutely fantastic. And what I love about it the most, that's on each color it looks slightly different. So keep rubbing it until you really get those chromy look. Look at this, so pretty, absolutely amazing. Next step for this nail art is to grab your D-liner brush, and we are gonna paint a butterfly wing. I've got my favorite gel, so that's the black foil gel and also the white French gel. They are paint gels which are really highly pigmented and works a magic for a nail art. Prep my brush so it's behaving nice and thin, and then we are gonna outline our design with the black line. Go all the way around it. And try to keep it really nice and thin. That looks already pretty, and it's not even finished yet. Now here I'm gonna ask you a help as well, so let this video reach a little bit more views. Hit the share button now, really pretty please. Now we are gonna do the butterfly wings, and you want them to be a kind of teardrop shape, so I'm just dragging it in to the end and then make it a rounded shape here. Nice and thin. Make another one in here, right from the bottom. All the way to the top. And another one. Some parts of it you want to have it much thicker, just so we can put some white dots. Keep adding those wheat tears. Color those empty spaces. And the last one. Then give it a 60 seconds cure. Using the white paint, we are gonna add some dots, and you want some of them to be much bigger, and then we are gonna do lots of very tiny ones. Okay, now clean your brush and pick up another scoop of a very small ones. Make them as tiny as your brush allows you to do it. That looks so cute. Once you're happy with it, give it a final cure. Now we are gonna put our High Shine No Wipe Top Gel to protect the entire design and the Aurora chrome which we have applied before. Make sure you apply it nice and smooth, and again here is my tip. Make the tip twist into different direction so you can check how the light reflects on it, and then if you're satisfied with it, it's a time to cure it. Give it a final cure of 60 seconds, and then that's the finished results. Look at this beautiful butterfly wing.